Hey everyone, Ritik here from Clientrix CRM Consulting and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how we can create data templates in Zoho Workdrive. So let's get started. So as right now we are in Zoho Workdrive. So in order to create the data templates, you just need to go to the settings and here under admin. So only the super admin can able to do that. So please kindly note that. And here as you can see, so in this uh, there are a lot of features here in admin level settings. So this is one of the, you just have to click on data templates and here it just gave you an overview of what data templates generally do. So basically we use data templates to efficiently manage a large number of files and folders for a task or projects in your team folders. We will associate the files and folder with custom information or properties to the data template that you can easily find and manage them using the data templates filter. So basically, data templates will help you to find your documents and files easily through filters. So if you're having multiple projects in your company and there are a lot of documents there, and sometimes it's hard to find the documents there. So with the help of data templates, you will able to have some filters through which you'll be able to find your documents better. So now we will find how to use data templates. So we click on create data template. So first of all, we have to write a name. So I will name the template as client project template, and description is something optional. So I'll just name it as test. Simply click on create. And now it will ask you, for to create some custom fields, as because on the basis of that custom fields, the system will, you will be able to search and create filters in order to search and manage your folders and documents easily. So now we will click on add custom fields. So here it will provide you a list of options like what kind of field you wanted to add, like single line, multi-line, number, date and time and all. So for example, first I will select single line. So I will name it as name. So this is something the person has to use as name. I will select, and I'll just other things are optional. So I'll just mark it as mandatory field. It's also your call that you wanted to mark this mandatory field or not, and just simply click on create. So we got one field, and other field I will add date field, which will be project start date. Anything like you can customize these fields according to your convenience, like how you want it to be for your use. And yeah, I'll just simply click on create. And one also another field I will as email field. So this is the email field. So I will just name this email, and I'll just add the description of please enter your email here. And I will also mark this as a mandatory field and just simply click on create. So as you can see, like I have just created some custom fields here, as once I will associate any folder or document with this template. So then the user have to enter these details, and then on the basis of these fields we will be able to run searches and filter out those records later. So this is how it works. So now as we have created this data template, as you can see, client project template. So we have this one template here. So now I will try to associate this with any document. So for example, if this is a document and I wanted to associate, so as you can see, I just select it here, and you can just click on this button, like this is data templates, and here it is giving me an option to associate this with this template. So once I will associate it, it will ask me to enter my details. So for example, it will ask me to enter a user's name. So I will name it as my name, Ritik, and I will say the project start date will has started on just for example 5 July. And here I will enter my email. So Ritik @client.co. This is the email. So once I've added all this information, I will just simply associate it with this. And here, as you can see, now this uh, document has been associated with this project template. As you can see these details. So you can also on the basis of these things, you will be able to filter it out and organize your data much better. as you know, you can just search it around with this information. So yeah, that's how easily you can create data template and associate it with your documents. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Apart from that, if you're looking for any tailored guidance and need more professional help regarding it, please do not hesitate to book a free consultation call with our team. You will find the link into the description. And also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And that's it for today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.